What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. Happy Monday. Uh, Fairly tight range overnight. I say tight. It's been almost 30 points. Friday consolidation day, basically down to 36. Defended the, that 32, 34 level. Again, that's what I'm watching for support. So if we get down there, I would probably be a buyer depending on the price action. We have singles all the way down to 93, so I would watch that. But again, that's the 9804 area. This has been support and has been a level for a long time. That's why I continue to keep it shaded. 50 days at 55.14, I'd watch that as well for support, and then we're back down to 80. I don't see that happening. I don't know. Relvol is 49. We've had 110 contracts trade overnight, so far it's real thin, which would probably be an upward bullish, even though we've been up for 7 straight days. This 80 level is probably fairly important. I want to see it get above that 5602 level for any upside. Basically, and up support, I would look at 608, 615. I know that's a 7 point range, and then it's 5630. This 4045 up here would be very important as well as resistance. We get above that, and I think that we see back into all-time highs, which is crazy that we're talking about that considering we just dumped. So we've had quite the dump here. 54.99 and 54.97 is my magic green line, as you can tell. We crossed this earlier. It was resistance, now it's support. That was the second leg down after the initial. And then we've just been pretty much straight up since then. So until we break that 97, I don't think that there's really anything bearish about this, which is another 100 points down. 55.17, I like that. Again, here's that 32.34, which is a monster volume area. Interesting up here, this 41 area is your next monster volume area. So that 40.45 is good. R3 is at 48. I do like that. 56.17, I do like that. And 55.98. These are decent today. I will definitely be watching them. Here's your daily, right? So peaked up, came down, and then this was that fuck job. We went down, and then this rallied back up, and everybody was like, that was it, get in there. And then it just crushed their souls. But then anyone was short, they got their souls crushed. So this has been a wild market. Feels like it's out to hurt people, so don't get any bias. Try not to be biased. I know that's very difficult for me. So anyway, 7 straight days up. We'll see if we have another consolidation day or if we continue to grind higher, because we can. Or if we see a little reversal today. I don't know. I don't like the price action today. I don't like what I'm seeing. So I will sit on my hands until further notice. Here's your weekly. That weekly put in a hammer candle, and guess what? It held true. So now it's the discussion of where we go from here. And I don't know. So here's your SPX down. Missed that cash cap, which was interesting, 5101 to 064. That's a big one. And we've just been compiling cash caps. We still have this guy up here, which is actually a couple in one, but basically 22 to 67. 69, 67 being your high. So that's definitely a target. But again, we will see. This one starts at 55.01 to 54.55, so I would look at that 55.01 as support. 50 days at 64. So we will see. NVIDIA, remember, went down to 90. Well, guess what? Everything's good again. We're back at 124. Very mixed today. ES up 1, NASDAQ up 3, Dow -8. And Russell down too. So quiet Monday as we start off. The heavy stuff doesn't really start coming down until Wednesday with payroll revision. They're talking about 1 million revision down. That should be interesting. And then 20-year bond on Wednesday as well. That's going to be interesting. Fed minutes from July FOMC meeting on Wednesday. That's typically not a big deal. And then the old-fashioned, the good old Jackson Hole symposium starts on Thursday for 3 days. So everything really is Wednesday after. So Monday and Tuesday, there really isn't much news. So we'll see how everything goes. Anyway, stay safe, and we'll see how today winds out and gives us an idea of what the rest of the week looks like.